And welcome to my channel. My name is SherelleSaintRose and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be testing out shop-bought bottled aloe vera and comparing it to natural homemade aloe vera gel. And we'll be testing this out in the form of a deep conditioner. Before we get into the video, I want to say thank you to all of you who just subscribed to my channel. My channel is now at 24,000 subscribers and I'm grateful for each and every one of you for joining my family here on YouTube. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. I'm relatively new to YouTube and have a lot of new exciting videos planned, and I would love it if you could support my channel by subscribing. Now let's get into the video. So as I said before, we are going to be comparing shop purchase aloe vera and comparing it to my own homemade aloe vera gel. Now first thing first, I've never used bottled aloe vera gel before, but I have seen it in YouTube videos and also in hair shops as well. I've always been curious to see how good it is. If you're subscribed to my channel, you already know that I grow my own aloe vera plants at home, but in this video we are going to be using a leaf that I purchased at a store. This is because I only use my aloe vera plants during summer, that's when they grow the most. And I generally leave them over the winter time because there's not enough sunlight for them to grow fast enough. Okay, so this is the store purchase aloe vera gel here, and the first thing that catches my eye is the fact that it says it's 99% natural, and it kind of makes you wonder what the other 1% is. I don't know about you, but I'm always somewhat skeptical when I see packaged products that says it's 99% natural, especially when my own homemade aloe vera gel generally lasts about 5 to 7 days of shelf life. So that's one of the reasons why I'm so interested in trying it today. But as my hair is reverting already, I thought why not revert it back fully and put my hair back in the protective style. My hair is in major need of a deep condition. Just in case you were wondering, I've been natural for 2 years. And to make this natural aloe vera gel, all I did was blend it and strain it. But if you would like a full video on how I make and prepare my aloe vera gel, just comment down below. As I said before, my hair's been straight for 3 days. I would normally test this out on freshly washed hair, but I'm really interested in seeing how the product will help my hair revert. Now I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections, and we are going to start on the left hand side with the shop purchase aloe vera gel. So I have my natural aloe vera gel here, and the brand is by Nature Spell. I'm not sure if there's a particular way you're meant to do it. I'm just going to spritz my hair with water first, and then I guess I'm just going to slather this all over my hair as if I would do with my natural homemade aloe vera gel. It's been about 2 minutes since I've put it on my hair, and as you can see, my hair is reverting back already. Just for reference, my hair is type 4A, 4B, but this isn't as curly as my hair normally is. It's normally a lot more curlier than this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the back of my hair and give it a little bit of time for my hair to absorb the aloe vera gel. It's been about 5-10 minutes. I've detangled my hair with a tangle teaser, and this is how much of the product I have left. I have about 1/4 of the bottle left, and I'm thinking to just smother it all over my hair and to just let it do its magic, and then we'll move on to the other side. I'm just going to spritz the side of my hair as I did the other side, and then I'll go in with the homemade aloe vera gel. So I've got my homemade aloe vera gel here, and I'm just going to do what I did on the other side. I'm just going to apply it and smother it all over my hair and give it about maybe 5 to 10 minutes to revert. This is getting a little bit messy, so I think I'm going to put the natural aloe vera gel inside a applicator bottle to make things a little bit easier. So just like the other side, I'm going to twist it up and put one of those clips in. I'm also going to cover my head with a plastic bag, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you my pros and cons. Hello everyone, I'm back. It's been about an hour. The plan was to leave on for about 30 minutes, but since I did straighten my hair, I thought it would be a better option to leave it on for a little bit longer. So now it's time to take this off and see if there's any differences. Okay, so this side is the side that had the shop bought aloe vera gel in it, and as you can see, my hair has more or less fully reverted back. It still has a little bit to go. I feel like when I wash my hair with warm water, it should revert a little bit more. Right now it feels quite soft. I'm quite happy with that. Now let's look at the other side. And this is the side that had the homemade aloe vera gel in it. Right away I can feel that this side feels a little bit softer than the other, and I also feel like there's a lot more curl pattern on this side than there is this side. On the side where the shop bought aloe vera gel is, you can see that it's kind of just sat on my hair, which kind of gives the appearance of my hair shiny, but you can see that it hasn't really soaked all the way right through. On the side of the homemade aloe vera gel, you can see that it's really soaked all the way in and hasn't really left like a shiny residue on it. Okay, so feel wise, my hair does feel well moisturized. So before I wash my hair, I want to quickly go through a bit of pros and cons which I can feel right now. I'm going to start with the side that had the shop bought aloe vera gel. So right away on this side, I can see that the product hasn't soaked all the way into my hair. I can see like a little bit of a residue on my hair, but overall it feels really nice. Okay, so on this side I had the homemade aloe vera gel, and unlike the other side, you can see that it's soaked all the way through my hair. It hasn't really left like a residue on it like it has on this side. Also noticing that there's a little bit more of a curl pattern on this side that I had the shop purchased aloe vera gel. I'm going to go ahead, wash my hair, twist it back up, put it back in a protective style, and I'll come back with my full pros and cons. Hello guys, so I'm back. I did wash my hair. Now it's time for me to give you a little bit of pros and cons on how I felt about each product. Firstly, starting off with the shop purchased aloe vera. Now I'm not sure how much I actually purchased this for, but I know that the price ranges from about $1.99 all the way up to about $4.99, and that also depends on what size bottle you purchase as well, but that's not specifically for this brand, that's just overall what I've checked online. So the first pro is that it's easy to use. Of course, it's already packaged for you, so all you need to do is put it straight into your hair. Whereas if you use the homemade aloe vera gel, obviously you have to make it yourself and it has a shelf life. Whereas I'm not sure what the shelf life on this actually is. It just says use within 12 months of opening. Another pro is that this side of my hair where I use the shop purchased aloe vera gel, you can actually see I have a little bit more curl definition, and my curls are starting to clump together a bit more on this side than it is on the side of the natural aloe vera. Overall, I feel like the product is quite good, but I don't know if I will replace it with my actual natural aloe vera gel. The only reason for that is because obviously natural aloe vera gel that you make yourself is natural and you know what you put in it. As for the smell of this product, it does smell a little bit chemically. It doesn't smell like natural aloe vera gel. But overall, I am happy with the results from the shop purchase aloe vera, which I'm quite surprised about. I thought that it was not going to be good at all and I wasn't going to enjoy any of the results. I do feel like sometimes it can be an alternative to actual homemade aloe vera gel. I wouldn't use it all the time, but maybe once or twice a year is okay. Or I feel like if you make your own aloe vera gel at home, you can maybe put some of that in it to make it stretch a little bit further. Now for my actual homemade aloe vera gel. As you can see, and as I said before, my hair actually hasn't curled and clumped together as well as this side. I don't know if you've used homemade aloe vera gel before, but the smell of it is a little bit strong. It kind of smells like wet, freshly cut grass. It's a really strange thing to explain, but after you've been using the product for a while, you do kind of get used to it. One of the pros of using natural aloe vera gel is obviously because it's homemade, you know what you've put in it, and of course in terms of shelf life, natural homemade aloe vera gel doesn't last that long. It lasts about, if you put it in the fridge, it lasts about 5 to 7 days. I think that's all the information, but which one would I prefer to use? To be honest with you, I would prefer to use natural homemade aloe vera gel just because I know what I'm putting in it and I love growing my plants at home. Although I love sitting here and talking to you guys, I have to love you and leave you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, now is the time to do so, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!